never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Hello and welcome back to Homemaking Tales. It's a beautiful spring day today. Let's clean and organize the refrigerator. I know we all have different sizes of refrigerators and varied food habits, so a one-size-fits-all organization method simply won't cut it. So in today's video, I thought of sharing with you all a few ways I organize the commonly found things in everyone's refrigerator. I will also be sharing some food prep hacks alongside the fridge organizing. So make sure to stick around and watch the video till the end. I try to make sure to clean the fridge every week or two, and I spot clean spills as I find them. So today I'm not doing a deep clean of my fridge, but just cleaning the spots that need my attention. Let's start with the dairy and meats. We are big fans of cheese and have quite a few varieties on hand at any given time. And this bin wasn't happy having them all over. I tried making compartments to the bin using the rubber bands and it was such a game changer. I could store all of them in the same space. They became better accessible and also fixed well and didn't fall off. I used the same trick to store the frozen meats too, and it worked just perfect. When it comes to eggs, I have found that storing them in egg trays works best. Depending on the space and how many eggs you typically have on hand, you can choose the size that suits your needs. For us, our bamboo egg tray fits a dozen eggs perfectly, which is just right for our family's needs. The milk carton, butter and cream cheese fits snugly just below the eggs, making it convenient to grab everything I need in one go. Turntables aren't just for the kitchen cabinets, they are such a fantastic organizer even for your refrigerator. Simply give it a spin and you can easily find what you're looking for. Plus it ensures nothing gets lost in the back of the fridge. I use two in my fridge, one for storing yogurt containers and another for leftovers. Using them to store condiments and your meal prep containers is a great idea too. Now let's organize the condiments and sauces. The right door of my fridge holds all the condiments, sauces, chutneys, and jams and preserves. The upper shelf holds all the sauces and the shelf below it holds all the jams, preserves, and chutneys. Veggies and fruits are next. Vegetables stay best in fridge produce drawers, and I use these transparent containers I got from TEMU to neatly organize them. They create a lot of vertical space in the drawer and are also accessible with ease. 6 of these fit in each produce drawer, giving me enough space to store all the veggies I need for a week. I had no problem of vegetables getting spoiled due to moisture or drying out, and they stay fresh and crisp for 8 to 10 days. Have you tried bundling the green beans together in clusters using rubber bands instead of tossing them directly into your fridge? I got this idea from watching the vegetable grocer at my local farmer's market, so thought I should try it out. This trick does work wonders. It keeps all your green beans neatly organized and makes them incredibly easy to portion too. It becomes easy to cut them or snip them off with the scissors. I store the salad greens and leafy greens in these reusable storage bags. These bags are eco-friendly, recyclable, and dishwasher and freezer safe, so you can even try using them for freezing fruits, peas, seafood, and meat. And if you don't want to invest in more organizers, then recycle your grocery paper bags like this to store your vegetables. I like to store the everyday essentials in one airtight container as I need it for cooking in almost every meal. Garlic. It can be a pain to peel. You know the feeling, right? There's always that little piece stuck onto it. So here's the trick. Just cut the lower part and store it in an airtight container in the fridge. The cold environment and moisture it builds up makes it a breeze to peel. Use a spoon to peel the ginger. Less is wasted this way. The curved edge of the spoon easily glides over the ginger's surface, reaching into those little nooks and crevices. Also, trimming the green chilies by snipping its stem off keeps it fresh for longer. I have designated a special space in my fridge for all our grab-and-go snacks. Here you will find a variety of fresh fruits like berries and grapes, along with some crunchy veggies like baby carrots and snap peas. Whether it's grabbing a handful of berries for breakfast or packing some snap peas for school lunch, everything we need is right here at our fingertips. Plus, having these snacks prepped and readily available means less temptation to reach for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. I don't store a lot of beverages in my fridge, but if I have any, they are here in the middle shelf. In the warmer months coming soon, I might stock some more. The same is the case of my freezer. It only has some few frozen meats and frozen peas and coconut slices.
I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke everywhere around. I've been searching, but I can't seem to find someone that can hold me through the night. I'll count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby. I've been trying to make sense of it all, looking for signs in the stars. But it's been right in front of me this whole time. Can't believe I didn't see the light. I'll count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby.
Thank you all for joining me today. I will see you back again on Saturday. Until then, happy organizing.
Words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby.